Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. You know, a couple of days ago, I attended an ordination to the priesthood in my hometown in Bulacan. 7 young men became priests that day. And during the entrance procession, one of the senior clergy of that diocese was beside me. And while walking towards the altar, he told me jokingly, kung nalalaman kaya nila ngayon ang papasukin nila pertaining to the 7 young men, tutuloy pa kaya silang magpa-ordain? And then he laughed at me. And then of course, some of the priests who also heard it also laughed and giggled as well. Dear friends, our gospel today is a collection of 3 sayings and teachings of Jesus. However, I would like to focus only our reflection today on the last one. Enter through the narrow gate, for the gate is wide, and the broad road leads to destruction, and those who enter it are many. Jesus reminds us today, dear brothers and sisters, that the road to Him is not as easy as it seems. Madalas po, mahirap ang sumunod sa Diyos. Hindi po ba? Maraming beses po, sobrang hirap gumawa ng mabuti. Hindi po ba? At sa maraming pagkakataon, ang hirap pong magpaka-Kristiyano na dapat mahalin mo ang Diyos ng higit sa lahat. Dapat mahalin mo ang kapwa mo gaya ng iyong sarili. Dapat mamahalin at pagdadasal mo ang iyong mga kaaway. At sabi din sa Ebanghelyo ngayon, gawin mo sa iba yung gusto mong gawin nila sa iyo din, etc., etc. At marami pa pong ibang napakahirap at napaka-challenging na turo ng ating simbahan. In other words, following God is indeed like entering the narrow gate. Marami pong may ayaw dito. Kasi ang gusto natin, happy na lang. Gusto natin comfort na lang. Gusto natin, lagi tayong nakasmile na lang. Sobrang hirap po kasi nito. But you know, my favorite quotation says, nothing worthwhile comes easy. Nothing worthwhile comes easy. At lahat po, dapat pinagpapaguran. Ang mga bagay-bagay, dapat nating pinagsisikapan. At ang mahalagang mga pagkakataon, dapat pinagpapawisan natin at pinaglalaanan ng atensyon. Entering through the narrow gate is difficult, yet possible and ultimately rewarding. Sabi ng isang sikat na philosopher at guro sa filosofiya na si Father Roque Ferriols, S.J., sabi niya, huwag niyong tanungin kung mahirap. Tanungin niyo kung mahalaga. Pag may gagawin kayong mga bagay-bagay at nakikinita-kinita niyo ng mahirap, huwag niyong tanungin kung kaya ko ba? Mahirap ba ito? Kakayanin ko ba sa dulo? Hindi. Ang tanungin po natin sa ating mga sarili, mahalaga ba ito? And so I want to end with a very famous poem of Robert Frost. And maybe many of you have already heard this at least once, entitled, The Road Less Traveled. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, 2 roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. Kaya naman, kung alam nyo, kaya ba ang papasukin nyo sa buhay, itutuloy nyo pa ba? Amen.